Welcome! If you've ever wanted to share your Instagram story with friends or post it on another platform but weren't sure how to get the direct link, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to copy the link of your Instagram story right from your Android device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your stories and profile. Once you're in the app, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see everything you've shared, including your current story. Now, at the top of your profile, tap on your profile picture to open your active story. You'll see your story playing, just as your followers do. While your story is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot 3 small dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on these 3 dots to bring up a menu of additional options. From the menu that pops up, you'll see several choices. What you're looking for is the option labeled Copy Link. Tap on Copy Link, and just like that, the link to your Instagram story is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, send it in a message, drop it in an email, or share it on another social media platform. Anyone with the link will be able to view your story as long as it's still live. And that's it. Copying your Instagram story link is quick, easy, and opens up new ways to share your favorite moments with friends, followers, or even a wider audience. If you found this guide helpful, try it out the next time you want to spread your story beyond Instagram. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing!